See my house here. Carry from where?
This tussle of ruins is just a tip of the iceberg of the hive of activities which clouded Monday's demolition exercise around Old Federal Secretariat Area 1 Garki. Other activities include the removal of the popular makeshift market and squatters' settlement in the area. Chairman of the Ministerial Task Force, who doubles as the Executive Secretary of the Federal Capital Development Authority (FCTA), Engineer Shehu Ahmad says insecurity and altering of land use prompted this cleanup exercise.
Every piece of square meter area of land in Abuja, where Abuja, I mean the FCT, is planned for. What we want to do in the immediate, there are issues of parking congestion within the old Secretariat premises itself. We're talking about 4 to 5 ministries, and very large ministries for that matter. The vehicular traffic that goes in and out of the premises is very heavy, and which has cramped all the driveways and other simple parking spaces that have been provided for.
The Senior Special Assistant to the FCT Minister on Monitoring, Inspection and Enforcement, Comrade E. Karata, confirmed that the removed illegal structures constituted security threats.
We gave ample, enough and extreme notices on this whole area because the minister have insisted that you can't have such wanton illegality, gruesome contravention, rape of the Abuja master plan at the very heart of the city. That's why Engineer Ahmed added level of us here, and we've done this, and it will continue for the rest of the week.
The FCTA says, following ministerial directives, city sanitation will be sustained through aggressive exercises and enforcement of laws. Joy Igoche, ITV News.